Hi, this is John Boshoff from Clearwater, Florida, USA. Just had a great week of training here. Did the GeoVital online course a few months ago, and that was great. Learned a lot of data, an overwhelming amount of data. Then flew, 36 hours of traveling down here to Melbourne. And what I really liked about the training was the hands-on experience. Not to mention I got to brush up on all the data that I thought I knew and now I actually know with a lot more certainty. Hands-on experience just can't be beat.